Okay,
So,
so good morning. How
good
are you?
morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I am good, ma'am. I'm
Okay,
very good.
very nice, very nice. And how has your day been so far?
Yeah,
How
maybe.
is day today?
Yeah, today is good, ma'am. I have a off day today.
Okay, so you don't have to go to your office today.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes. So in very short, can you introduce once again yourself?
Okay, ma'am. Uh, I am Jivan Mogar from Nepal, but I am currently living in Malaysia. Now I
Oh,
am from Malaysia.
okay.
That's
Are you married or a single person?
yes, ma'am. I'm married. I have two kids.
You have two kids as well. Okay. Okay, that's great. So they live in Nepal
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes,
and you
ma'am.
live in Malaysia. So you
Yes,
see, I this platform, YouTube platform, makes us so easy, so simple to learn from any corner of the world. Yes, you are connecting me from Malaysia. Nice to see that you are connecting from Malaysia to learn just English. Yes, that's very nice.
yes,
Okay, yes. So today is Saturday there, and what's the time in Malaysia right now?
right now, uh, one 1 9, ma'am. 1 o'clock and 9 minutes.
Okay, 1 9 afternoon time. Yes.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay. Have you had your lunch?
yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have taken your lunch. That's good. So now what's your plan for the day? As you have to off today, so what are you planning to do today?
Yeah, ma'am, I don't have any plan. Maybe after 1 hour, I go to for shopping.
Okay, shopping for grocery and all, or for some different
Yeah,
item?
yes, 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 ma'am. For grocery
Okay, for
things.
grocery. Do you cook yourself in Malaysia?
Yes, yes,
Okay. You live there alone or with your friends or somebody?
yes.
Do
I
you
have
share a room with someone?
many friends, ma'am. Yep.
Okay, so many of you are living together there.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay, that's good. So you must not be feeling lonely over there.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me about your family. How many members are there in your family in Nepal? Leaving
I
your
have
wife, you told me, and your two kids. Somebody else?
yeah. Just I have uh four members my family.
Okay.
Two kids, my wife and me. Uh, Only small family. I have small family.
Okay. So they are living here in Nepal. They must be connecting every day to you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay. Your children are happy over there?
yes.
Because
We'll
you
be
are
happy.
not there, at times it happens that children miss their father very especially, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay. What's your favorite food?
Nepali food is like dal bhat,
Dal?
and yeah, yeah,
Okay. Okay. Dal bhat, you said?
yeah, yeah. Rice and
Rice,
pulse
right. Yes, yes, yes,
curry.
yes. Dal bhat means yes, dal and chawal. Okay. Okay. Do you watch TV? Do you have TV there?
No, ma'am. I don't have TV. I watch
Okay.
in mobile.
Okay. So your main source of entertainment is mobile.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Only
Yes.
mobile.
Okay. Okay. So you are connecting to me for the conversation very first time. Yes.
Yes, yes, ma'am. This is very first time.
And you had conversation with anybody
No,
before?
sir. No,
No.
no.
Okay. So don't feel hesitant. Don't feel shy in connecting anybody. All right. And I'm there always with you. Any problem, anytime you want to connect, just drop me a message 10 minutes, 20 minutes prior, and we can have
Okay.
short discussion on any topic you wish to. Okay. And wherever you are finding difficulty to speak, suppose you are wanting to speak a particular sentence in Hindi, you know it, but in English you are not able to. So
yes,
you
ma'am.
can deal with those problems.
Yeah, I have a try to connect with other like conversation person, but I cannot connect with uh, him because I am also nervous and so
No
shy.
problem. Don't feel nervous at all. Don't feel nervous because nobody is perfect here. Nobody is master of any language. Even though if you speak Nepali or you speak Hindi, don't think that you are master of that language. You are not master of that language also. So language is a never-ending process. You cannot learn in a few days or few months. It's a lifelong process. Yes, everyone is learning. Somebody is very good at English. Somebody is average at English, somebody is at learning stage, but everybody will learn. The main thing is the interest. So you are
Yes,
interested in, you tried from Malaysia to connect with me. That is how you will learn in a few months, I can tell you. If you have the same interest, no, you carry on the same interest, you will learn this language in no time.
yes,
So
ma'am. I'll
first
try.
conversation is always a little, a little tricky, you can say, little difficult, you can say, because you are connecting for the first time. Then video call is another thing, no? We are talking one to one. So at times it happens that we are not into the habit of, we are not actor or actresses, that we have been working in front of the camera. So it happens that we feel shy at times. Okay. That's fine. Don't worry about it. And whatever you want to ask, anything in Hindi, even if you want to ask, I wanted to say this but I could not speak this, ma'am, आप मुझे इस sentence का अंग्रेजी बता देंगी, I can tell you even that also. All right.
Yes, yes.
Huh. So don't
Maybe
feel shy. Yes. Now I hope you are comfortable. Don't feel nervous at all. Just treat
yes,
me as your sister, as your auntie, whatever you feel like. Okay, I'm a retired person. Yes, 55 plus age. All right.
yes,
I too
yes,
have two kids, and both are, grown ups. So, like you, I can tell you.
yes, ma'am. Yes, yes,
So, feel like a homely person, and then whatever you feel like asking, better you go ahead.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anything you want to ask?
Yes, I have many questions, but I can ask you, ma'am.
Something if you want to ask, you ask me. Otherwise, we'll have a normal conversation as we have. And then the next time, you prepare a list of whatever you want to ask. Okay. And then we can connect and we can solve those problems. Actually, I'm a retired person. I was a teacher and now I'm working on YouTube
Yes,
after
ma'am. Yes,
retirement. And I'm dealing with only English. My channel's name is Grammar with Manju Mam. So there
yes,
actually I upload grammar videos. But
yes,
recently for past few weeks, you can say, started this conversation videos also. Okay. So I'm connecting with different people if they request me. And I'm really enjoying this life also because no, connecting to someone. See, I'm connecting to you from Malaysia. I'm sitting in Lucknow. Okay,
yeah, yeah.
right. So
No,
can
which
anytime you can connect and you can ask. Yes, please go ahead.
yes, ma'am. In the
Now, please feel free. If you want to ask in Hindi, even you can ask. No problem.
yeah, you are from Lucknow, ma'am.
I am
Lucknow,
from.
which
I'm Manju. I'm from
part?
Lucknow. I was a teacher. I am a teacher. I taught in a school, private school for 31 years. And now
Yes,
I've taken retirement. So I'm
yeah,
enjoying my retired life. And yes, as teaching is my passion, so I'm connected to teaching. I'm teaching now online. And also, I take offline classes also. Students come to my place to study.
yes, ma'am. Very nice, ma'am. That's very
Yes,
nice.
my husband is a doctor. So here in Lucknow, we two are living together, my husband and me. And my both children are not here. They are working, so they are outside the India.
Yeah, yes. You don't have a daughter, ma'am?
I have a son and a daughter. My son is in
Oh,
Canada, my daughter is in Sweden.
oh, yes, nice.
Yes, my daughter is married and my son is yet not married.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So this is all about me
Maybe
in short. Yes,
from
please ask.
Delhi, how many hours? Maybe Lucknow.
From
How?
Delhi, if you come by flight, it's just 55 minutes flight, and by train, you can take maybe 7 to 8 hours. It's 500 kilometer away from Delhi. Lucknow is 500 kilometers away from Delhi. Have you been to Delhi? Yes, you must
Yeah,
have
yeah, ma'am.
boarded your flight from Delhi.
No, maybe I go by bus, but I'm not living in Delhi. Just
Okay. So you never
yeah,
had a time to visit Delhi? Yes?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes. That's good. That's good. Any more questions?
Yeah, yeah. But I have very enormous. I cannot control.
Okay, 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 okay. No problem, no problem. Okay. You watch, do you watch movies?
Yes, ma'am. I watch a movie.
Which movie do you watch? Hindi or English or your regional language?
Yeah, maybe uh, that's Indian movie, but English, of English, which English movie? The
Okay,
subtitle I want see subtitle.
okay.
The,
So by watching subtitles, you can. This is the you know this way you can learn very nicely because in a way you are entertaining yourself. You are watching movie, and then at the same time when subtitle is on, you can correlate that what is going on in the movie and what exact sentence structure is for saying certain things. So you can learn that way as well. Okay,
yes, ma'am.
that's also a very good thing. But yes, the hesitation part, no, as you are feeling hesitant to talk to one another, that will go only when you talk one to one. Yes,
Yes,
when you will talk, then your slowly, slowly, what will happen that your fear will go away.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, so that's very important. Nice to meet you from Malaysia. Yes, and we can connect anytime whenever you feel like you drop me a message and
Yes,
you get prepared with whatever you have to ask with me
yes.
to me. Okay, and then we'll connect again. Okay, any
Okay.
more questions from your side?
Yeah, yeah. I have yeah, question. I have a question, ma'am. But
Yes,
I cannot speak the properly. Maybe stop the
you will
in
start
my
in
mouth.
English. You can ask now in Hindi. If you are fluent in Hindi, you can ask in Hindi even.
Yes, ma'am. Maybe next time I will ask you
Okay.
many questions, ma'am.
Next time you can write a few statement. Don't go
Yeah,
for a longer conversations. Okay, a small
yes,
conversation. Learn even five sentences, five structures of sentences. If you learned, you will
yes,
slowly, slowly improve your vocabulary. You will improve your language, and you will very especially you will increase your confidence level.
yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. So okay, next time we'll meet, and then we'll have even nicer
Okay,
conversation. Yes.
okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay.
I'm
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for showing your interest and
yes,
connecting me. Lovely talking to you. And I feel really very happy that in a way, if I can help you. Okay.
yes,
So we'll
yes,
connect
ma'am.
again whenever you feel like. Okay. Till then, bye bye. Take care.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.